Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Virgo, September 3, 2024 at 9:55 a.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo lang yung eksaktong oras at araw ng New Moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay. So, itong reading na to, mas maaring makaresonate dito yung mga Capricorn rising. Although, pwede pa rin naman mag-resonate yung mga Capricorn sun or Capricorn moon. So, we have new moon in Virgo. New moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new pathways, new experiences. And this is going to happen in your 9th house. 9th house is exploration. So for some of you, Capricorn, marami kang explore sa buhay, marami kang gustong subukan. Lalo na if this is something to do with travel, gusto mong mas may mga pagkakataon kang makapag travel sa ibang lugar, mag-explore, learn new culture, or you just want to explore the world. Pwede ring international travels. However, yung iba, pwedeng parang torn between pagta-travel abroad or pagta-travel sa local country ninyo. So, syempre, iba't iba tayo ng bansa, no? Yung mga nanonood sa ating channel, yung iba nasa ibang bansa. But if you're in the Philippines, siguro inisip nyo, ano kaya unahin ko? Mag-travel ako abroad or mag-travel locally within the Philippines? So, yun yung mga gusto nyong subukan ngayon. Siyempre, depende sa budget yan. Although, meron namang mga places na pag pinuntahan mo kahit international, mas mura kaysa local. No? Depende sa place na pupuntahan ninyo. And 9th house is also about learning. So, maaring meron kang mga gustong i-pursue, mga parang iba, babalikan nyo yung pag-aaral ninyo, you want to continue with your master's degree, your doctor's degree, anything that will fulfill you pagdating sa knowledge mo, sa skill set mo, sa kaalaman mo. And this is also about your belief system. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are someone na hindi ganun ka-active sa inyong religion or hindi kayo ganun ka-active sa inyong spiritual practice, this time, you will be more, kumbaga mas magiging disiplinado ka sa gusto mong matuklasan pa, matutunan, malaman, pagdating sa spiritual practice mo. Let's say, kung dati hindi ka masyadong active sa church ninyo, ngayon mas you will really make it a point na to be there, nandun ka every week or every time na meron kayong worship, no? So, it seems like you really want to go deeper, dive deeper within you na mas dagdagan pa yung inyong kaalaman. Whether this is academics, pwedeng religion, belief system mo, it doesn't matter, but ang importante is you are learning new things. Okay? So, meron itong opposition sa Saturn, which is yung inyong ruler, which is in Pisces right now, na nasa 3rd house ninyo. Some of you, Capricorn, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng fallout with your siblings, no, kapatid, or anything that is, your not actually immediate, but extended family, no? Pwedeng tito, tita, ganyan, na it was parang medyo mahirap na relationship with them. But I think this time, you will try na i-work out yon. Pwedeng merong reconciliation or pag-aayos, pagbabate, no, sa magkakapatid or magkakamag-anak na nagkaroon ng problema, misunderstanding. Pwedeng matagal na, pwedeng recently lang, nagkaroon lang ng miscommunication, hindi nagkaintindihan, so parang nagkaroon ng tampuhan. Pwedeng yun ang i-work out ninyo ngayon. Also, Pluto is in Capricorn right now. naka-retrograde siya. So this is also the time for you to reflect on yourself, to reflect dun sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-improve sa sarili mo, gusto mong baguhin, gusto mong i-heal sa sarili mo. Oo. Pluto is also about healing dahil syempre no, kapag tayo na-heal, ito na yung time na may nagbabago na sa atin. We are reborn, kumbaga. Na parang may panibagong tayo. Oo. So, this is, meron tong sextile meron tong positive aspect sa Neptune. Neptune is about your dreams, about your creativity. So I also see na you are going to tap into your skills, your creative talents, para mas mapaunlad mo rin yung sarili mo in so many ways. Pwedeng personal fulfillment mo, pwede rin fulfillment mo for your career path, kung anong gusto mong i-pursue ngayon, na pwede rin kasing expertise yan, hindi lang siya sa talents or skills. Kasi at this point, Capricorn, especially Capricorn rising, you are learning. You are absorbing new knowledge as much as you can. No? Kumbaga para kang sponge na sinisip-sip or hinihigop mo yung knowledge na pwede mong malaman na makakatulong, na alam mong makakatulong sa'yo sa pag-improve ng iyong life. Okay? So, very transformative para sa inyo to, Capricorn. When it comes to learning a lot. Gathering information, knowledge. Let's see what else. Oh, diba? You have the Magician. The Magician, this is the energy ng Virgo and Gemini, which is about learning. So, yung iba, you are going to learn a new skill. May bago ka matututunan. Whatever this is, na very interested ka. Yung iba, okay, some of you, pwedeng you are going to learn something about the occult. Mag-aaral ka about astrology, tarot, palmistry, anything associated sa spiritual practices or the occult. Because the energy of the magician is also someone na connected sa mga anything witchy as well. Oo. Pwedeng iba sa inyo nag-aaral ng witchcraft, no? May mga negative connotation lang sa witchcraft, but it's a craft, okay? I also see you that you are stepping into your own power. Marami kang discovery about yourself, mga bagay na hindi mo akalain na kaya mo pala, mga bagay na hindi mo akalain na matutuklasan mo sa sarili mo. So, traveling more often will really help you develop yourself. Minsan, hindi mo akalain na may nagbabago sa'yo, but actually, the more you travel and discover places, internal kasi yung change na yan, hindi siya yung sa external change, no, for you. Maaring doon ka nakakahanap ng peace of mind na makakaapekto in a positive way sa productivity mo, kasi when you have peace of mind, you are more productive. Marami kang ideas na naiisip that will help you improve your life or the life of others around you. Wow, Six of Wands. This is success, definitely. I think kung ikaw ay naging very competitive in the past, like being in a healthy competition, I think you will reap the rewards. No? Some of you will receive recognition doon sa inyong mga pinag-aralan, doon sa mga skills or talents na na share ninyo sa iba. Ano man yung area or field of work ninyo or career path ninyo. You also have the Two of Swords. So, major decision making. For some of you, may mga options na nagiging available para sa inyo kung ano yung ipupursu ninyo. Okay? This can be sa career path ninyo. May mga options na nagbubukas for you, whether magsistay ka sa situation mo sa trabaho or yung iba na work na pwede mong i-explore. So, marami kang i-consider dito sa decision making na to. So, you have to be more aware or conscious sa mga decisions mo, na it has to be in alignment of your talents, of your skills, no? Para hindi mo siya mararamdaman as work, but you will enjoy whatever you are doing. Okay? You have believe in your good luck. Ayan, being more optimistic sa iyong mga ginagawa. At naniniwala ka na kayang-kaya mong maging very successful. Hindi lang to sa dahil may good luck ka, no? But also through your hard work. You also have, don't let your past hold you back. Kung may mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo na gawin, i-pursue yung pangarap mo dahil sa experiences mo in the past, ngayong panahon na to, yun ay ile-let go mo na at parang you're going to be in a clean slate na yes, this is something new, I have to focus on this, I have to pursue this. Okay? Hindi ka na mapipigilan ng nakaraan. So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.